ביאור משנה ב', explanation for משנה ב'. משנתנו עוסקת בדיני הדס. Our Mishnah is going to deal with the laws of the myrtle. וכבר הזכרנו, we already mentioned שההדס הוא עץ, a myrtle is a tree, שעליו חופים את עצו, that is completely covered by the leaves. וכל שיוצאים ממנו 3 עלים או יותר, and if there are 3 leaves that coming out of it or more, בכל כן וכן, in every point that the leaves come out from, בעיגול אחד בשווהו, in a one circle, הדס הכשר למצוות 4 המינים. Then this is kosher for the commandment of the 4 species. Let's go exactly like the previous one. הדס הגזול והיבש פסול. Hadal, which is stolen or which is dry, is pasul. Exactly from the same reason in the lulav. We learn it from Hadal. Ba'atam shebi'adnu balalav, Mishnah הקודמת. Exactly from the same reason, what we say in the lulav, it has to be Hadal. Shel ashera v'shel yireh nidachat, pasul. Also of an idol worship, whether it was individual idol worship or a whole city, it's still not kosher, exactly the same. כמו שביארנו כבר בלולב, like we explained in the לולב, נקטם ראשו, but what happened if the head of the myrtle got cut off? ראש שבת הענף, ונפקע הדרו, and which means now it's not so beautiful. נפרצו עליו. Over here it means נפרצו עליו, they all fell off. All the leaves fell off. In other words, you just have the stalk without the leaves. נשרו רוב העלים שלו, the majority of the leaves fell away, ויש מפרשים נסדקו רוב עליו, or they got cracked, they don't look good. או שהיו ענביו מרובות מעליו, or there were the fruit of Hadas, of the myrtle, a lot of fruits in it. Let's call it this way. פרי ההדס הוא כאין ענבים קטנים, the myrtle gives like small grapes, ואם היו ענביו של הדס מרובים מעלים שבו, and if there's more to see the fruits than there are of the leaves, you can see more fruits than leaves, then it's not kosher. Today they don't come with fruits at all. I don't know if the zan that it is, or maybe it's not in the season, I don't know. But nevertheless, if it has the fruit and you see more of fruit than the leaves, it's not kosher. פסול, it's not kosher. בעניין הדס שענפיו מרובים מעליו, in the matter of a myrtle that you have more fruit than leaves, מבואר בגמרא, the Gemara explains, שדווקא כשענביו הם שחורים. It's only when the fruits are black, או אדומים, או red, ההדס פסול. The hadas, the myrtle is not kosher. לפי שאינו הדר, because then it's not green, it doesn't look nice. אבל כשענביו הם ירוקים, but if the fruit is green, it gives him more הדר. הואיל והם כמראה הדס כשר, still it looks like a proper hadas, then it's still kosher. ואם מיעטן, so what happens if you've got only myrtle, and this one only grew, this season, all of them grew with a lot of grapes on them, a lot of fruits on them. So what do? So it says, imiatam, so you say, hey, I'm going to be smart. I'm going to take all those parts off. Imiatan, shetalash miktzat anavav, that he took a little bit of the fruits, shelo yu berubim alav, that they're not going to be the majority, then it's kosher. Then it is kosher, hadas. But you have to remember that you can only do in Chol Moed. You're not allowed to do that on Yom Tov itself. ואין ממעטים ביום טוב, but you're not allowed to take the fruits off on יום טוב. אסור לתלוש ענבים מההדס ביום טוב. You're not allowed to take away the fruit from the myrtle on יום טוב. Why? לפי שנראה כמתקן כלי ביום טוב, because it looks like you're preparing a vessel on יום טוב.